Hello students, welcome again in this new session of programming. We know that we are learning C programming. Today we are going to talk about new topic, and that is control structure. So what is control structure? Control structure simply says that some statements in C programming and they are used to control the flows. Sometimes if we want to execute same statement again and again, then we have to use control structure. Sometimes if we want to take some decision depending upon the condition we have provided, then that also can be a control structure. So mostly control structure say that take the decision under some conditions. So such type of statements they come under the control structure. As you can see here, under common control structure there are three types. First is sequence. We have already done such type of programs in which we execute our statements one after another in particular order. Next is the conditional statements. There is also a control structure, and under this we have to discuss about if else, if, nested, switch, etc. And next is the iteration. It is also a control structure in which we repeat our tasks till the condition is true, and that is called loop. So loop is a control structure, and you said that conditional statement, that is also control structure, and the sequential statement, that is also control structure. Mostly we have three types of control structures. First we have already discussed. Now let's discuss about the second and third. First is a conditional statement. Under conditional statement we have many. First is if. If simply say that it comes with condition. If the condition is true, then the given condition, a given statement is executed, and if the condition is false, nothing will happen then. Its syntax looks like this one. We write if, then the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we have to put the condition, then we have to close the parenthesis, and here is opening and closing braces, and inside that we have to put the statement we are going to use. Its flowchart we can understand and we can draw very easily. Here is the condition, and if the condition is true, this statement will be executed. If the condition is false, then it will go for the exit. So its syntax is very simple, and flowchart is also very simple. So whenever it tests the condition, it returns true or false value. I'll show you with the help of program. Here is one program. In this we have taken number 10. Now if number is more than 0, if number is more than 0, as you can see the number is 10 and 10 is greater than 0, so condition is being true. True means it is returning 1. It is returning one value, that is true value, so it will be executed. But if we take 20, suppose 20 is also greater than that, but suppose if we take minus 90, so minus 90 is not greater than 0, so condition becomes false, so it will exit the program. So it's a very simple example. Now let's run same example in our compiler. We can take any value. We can also input the value. let's save it. Let's run it. We can see for the taken value 10, it is displaying 10 is greater than 0. So condition satisfied. If the condition becomes true, then this part, that is printf, will be displayed. So it's very simple example. Now I just said that it returns true or false value. If you want to know really it returns or not, let's check that. I'm making comment here. Let's save it. Let's run it now. We can see here, since a is greater than 0, so it is being true, and true means it takes the value 1, and that is stored in a variable result, and that is printed from the printf. I hope that you understood about the if. In next video we will be discussing about the if else. Thank you. If you have any comment, you can put inside the comment box, and if you like, then you can also go for the subscribe button.